Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MRVLon token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, MRVLon is a blockchain based token that represents economic ownership in Marvell Technology Stock, created by Ondo Finance to bridge traditional equities with the crypto ecosystem. Tokenized equity. It is a digital representation of Marvell Technology Stock, granting holders similar economic benefits, including exposure to its price and dividends. Global access bridge. Ondo's platform enable investors outside the US and access US stock and ETFs 24/5 by minting the redeeming these tokens against the traditional market liquidity. Regulatory wrapper. The token is designed for a global non-US alliance with specific restrictions to comply with securities regulations like the US Securities Act. MRVLon project institution rating is 3.6. MRVLon token total supply is around 100,000 and circulating supply is also 100,000 MRVLon token. MRVLon token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEX, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.